I have this piece of scrap wood. It measures 10.5 by 3 by 3 inches. And I'm going to start by using this attachment that I have for my drill. It's called a hole saw. It comes with different sizes, so I pick the size I want. It goes into the end of the drill, and I'm going to drill with this hole saw 3 times from the left to the right of this block of wood on the top of it. At this point, I'm just marking where I want the holes to go. I am not drilling completely through to make a complete hole. I just want that outer rim of the circle a little deep, not even halfway. I do need to apply some pressure for this, so I just moved it to an easier area, and I just used the tip of that to create these holes with the outer edge a little deep. Again, I'm not drilling through the entire piece of wood to actually create the hole. I gave it a light sanding, removed all of that dust, and I'm going to paint the entire thing using Wise Owl dried thyme. Now, of course, you're going to pick any color that will match your home decor. And I did all of the sides in this color, and then I allowed it to fully dry. Once dry, I have this metal ribbon. I got this specific one from Hobby Lobby in the ribbon section, but you can sometimes find these at the Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to cut it to the length that I would need for it to fit inside that drilled hole area. And I created 3 of them. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to bend it so the metal ribbon sits inside that rim that we created. So I want it a little deep. Now you can see what I mean. I want it a little deep so the metal will sit in it and I don't need to add any glue or anything. And I'm just having the 2 ends meet on the back side. So this is what we have so far. I found this word grateful. It also came with Gather from Dollar General, a 2-pack for $1. And I'm going to paint that in Wise Owl Snow Owl. I'm going to keep this very simple, but I do feel you can add more color or more decorations to dress yours up. Once that's dry, I'm going to glue it onto the front of the block of wood. Now you can take the second one, paint it, and put it on the other side if you are placing this in the center of a table, so both sides look finished. I found these leaf candle lights. They're like little tea lights with a metal leaf on top from Dollar Tree, and I got 3 of them. And I'm going to have them sit right inside of the metal ribbon. And that's it. I'm going to keep it just like this. I love how it came out. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Thank you for watching. Paint products, tissue paper transfers, mesh stencils, wood cutouts can all be found at chalkitupfancy.com. Have a great day.